All right, so I got my workout in for the day, so now I'm going to show Chris an exercise as well. Exercise we're going to do is called a bird dog. It kind of looks like what a dog does when it's chasing birds. I'm going to have Chris first get into a hands and knees position. The important thing here is you want to make sure that you're in a nice neutral spine. Best way to do that is to gently arch the back down and then bring it back the other direction and come straight up, and then stop halfway between those 2 points. You can see he has good mobility through his spine. That is a nice neutral spine. Again, you can see the normal curvature of the back. It's subtle, but it's still certainly maintained. Chris is going to brace his abdomen. He's going to tighten that up, staying nice and neutral. There's no tilting of the pelvis going on here. Now, the only motion that's happening when we get into this exercise is going to be at the shoulder and the alternate hip. And what he's going to do is he's going to lift his right arm and his left leg while maintaining a completely neutral spine. Go ahead and try that, Chris. As you can see, no motion whatsoever through the back. And he's going to bring that side down, and then he's going to do the same thing on the alternate side. This is an exercise that you can hold for a second or two. You can also get into that position and hold for 10 seconds if you wanted. Alternating back and forth, making sure that both sides are working. Sometimes it'll be a little bit more difficult on one side than the other as far as where your strength is and how you're able to maintain it. But again, you should have no back pain at all. So those are some great exercises that Chris and I just showed you. Keep in mind that just because they're great exercises doesn't guarantee that they're going to feel good for you, or even that you're doing them correctly if you're not under the guidance of either someone like Chris or myself. If you do have any pain with anything, you certainly want to stop. These are preventative exercises. And if you have any questions about that, you can certainly come down to Saco Physical Therapy, the medically oriented gym in South Portland, and we'd be glad to show you a little bit more related to that.